All right, what's going on, folks? Ontarian Hawkins here, the passive income guru. How you guys doing today? This is pre-Thanksgiving. All right, what's going on, folks? Ontarian Hawkins here, the passive income guru. How you guys doing today? This is all right, pre-Thanksgiving today, and I want to share some things with you about Bitcoin. So I'm going to wait for a few folks to come on and we'll get right to it. Bitcoin. That's the talk of the world today. Cryptocurrency. It's a huge topic, and I'm going to kind of dissect it a little bit. A lot of you watching may not know a lot about Bitcoin. If that's the case, don't worry. It's not difficult. If you're trying to understand all the calculations, everything that happens in mining Bitcoin, then you may spend some years trying to figure that out. However, if you're like me, you just like to get straight down to the matter of things, then you're going to really understand this video, this live feed. So welcome everybody that's coming on. Let me know where you're from and where are you going to have Thanksgiving this year? Is it going to be at your home? Is it going to be at a relative's house? Where are you going to have Thanksgiving? While you guys are answering that question, I'm going to go ahead and share my screen and show you some things. And hopefully after this particular video, you understand a little bit more what's going on. And I want to also introduce you to my good friend that you see right here, Mustafa. Say hello to Mustafa. All right, here we go. So I'm logged into a Bitcoin wallet, one of many Bitcoin wallets called Coinbase. Okay. Now, if you were to say today, hey, I want to be able to take advantage of Bitcoin, you're going to need what's called a Bitcoin wallet or a cryptocurrency wallet. One of them is called Coinbase. There are several, okay? As you start making accumulating more cryptocurrency funds, you're going to want to invest in something like this, which is a nano ledger, okay? A nano ledger that's going to keep your cryptocurrencies a little bit more secure, okay? All right. So I actually have a video explaining to you how to set up a Coinbase account, how to get it funded. I can go right now to buy, sell, and I can buy Bitcoins directly from my bank account, okay? As soon as it leaves the fiat currency, the paper money, and it hits Coinbase, it automatically becomes Bitcoin, okay? Automatically. All right, and then we enter into the digital space. Let me see who's tuning in here. And see what we got. All right, what's going on, cousin Felix? What's up, man? Nikki, how y'all doing? Hey, Nura from all the way from Kenya. Clayton, what's up, cousin? We got Nick Floyd on. What's up, man? All right, guys, I just want to educate you a little bit about Bitcoin. All right, now, for those if you're looking at this for the first time, or if you don't know anything about Bitcoin, in a nutshell, it is a digital currency. You can't hold it in your hands like paper money. That's what makes it very valuable. Also, it is a peer-to-peer currency as well, which means if I wanted to right now with my cell phone, I can push a button and send someone else Bitcoin all over the world, and it happens in a matter of seconds, okay? When you go to a regular bank to get money out, you got to go through the third party, and you got to sign some papers or whatever you got to do to get your money out of the bank. Here, it's peer-to-peer, And that is one of the major forces that is driving the price of Bitcoin up. A year ago, let me show you something real quick. It's gonna really blow your mind here. I'm gonna go to YouTube. And over a year ago, I did a video showing people how to set up a Coinbase account. And I don't remember the exact date. Actually, yep, it was about a year ago right here. Let me click on this.
It was.
Okay, I'm going to blow this up. Okay, watch this. You see the price of Bitcoin? Now, let me do this. This video was published on March the 6th, 2016. Okay? March the 6th, 2016. At that current time, Bitcoin was $403.13. $403.13. Today, if you check CoinMarketCap, as you can see here, Bitcoin is 81.26, over $8,000. It's over $8,000 as in Coinbase as well. Now, 1 hour ago, you can see as I toggle through here, you can see how it jumped up. 1 week ago, it jumped up $942. So this is going to cover. I'm going to go ahead and let you know how to take advantage of it. The first way to take advantage of Bitcoin. All right. The first way you can take advantage of Bitcoin, folks, is to open up a Coinbase account or whatever wallet that you want to do. I recommend Coinbase because you can tie it to your bank account and you can buy Bitcoins from your bank account. And whatever you want to buy. Most people say, oh, do I got to buy an entire Bitcoin to get started or take advantage? No, you don't have to buy $8,000 worth of Bitcoin, okay, which is one Bitcoin, which is what it's worth now. You can come in here. You can put $1,000. You can put $500. Let's just say you put $500 in last week. Well, your account would have jumped up a 937 gain. As you can see here, I have 1 week highlighted right here. 1 week. Okay. 1 month, if you would have had money in here, and again, it doesn't have to be a full Bitcoin. If you would have had money in here, you just held that money in your account, $2,200 in a month. Okay. That's the first way to take advantage of Bitcoin. The first way is to buy it and hold it. Okay, buy it and hold it. There's other cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin is it's like the forerunner of them all. There's Ethereum, as you can see right here. Ethereum today is $368.49. Okay, it jumped up about $85 and some change a month ago, which is not bad at all. Litecoin is $70.93. It jumped up $16.40 a month ago. Okay, so Bitcoin is like the granddaddy of them all. It is the anchor that steers them all. And if you want to get a lot, more in-depth analysis on cryptocurrencies, then you want to go to coinmarketcap.com and you can see them all here. Okay. So, of course, Bitcoin is right here. We saw the price. Ethereum is number 2. Got Bitcoin Cash. Now, I'm going to give you guys some clues here, okay? And we're going to go into another way to take advantage of Bitcoin, of cryptocurrency. Not just Bitcoin. You want to look at all the altcoins, and you can take advantage in several different ways. You have Ripple, okay? I'm going to stop right there and say this. Ripple is something that you want to put some funds into. Buy some Ripple. I looked up some latest news on Ripple, and this is what I found. Okay. One that stuck out to me the most was right here. Ripple is revolutionizing the world of global payments. And if you go back to CoinMarketCap, right now Ripple is what, 23, a little bit of 23 cents, okay? Less than 50 cents. So let's just say you buy $100 worth of Ripple right now, and 6 months in a year from now, it shoots up to $10, shoots up to $20. You just made a nice profit off of $100 investment, guys. And how many of us spend $100 in seconds on things that we don't need, on things we think we need, but we don't need? If you invest in Ripple, and there's others out there that are doing really well, but do your research, folks. Okay, look up Ripple. Look up Ripple, and see what the talk is all about. You know, there's a lot of talk about it. It's a legitimate cryptocurrency, and you know, I'm invested in it. I think it's just gonna make some waves. Definitely gonna make some waves. You got Dash is a huge one right here as well. The top 10 you definitely want to pay attention to. Okay, in you know, in the cryptocurrency space, there's others you can take advantage of as well. Bitconnect is another one. I'm involved with a program. I'm actually involved in Bitconnect, averaging up to 1% on most days per day on your investment. Some days a little lower than that, but you can't beat that. That's better than a bank any day. Okay, so there's a lot of other ones here. Steam has their own social media platform, and people are getting paid out in cryptocurrency. Steam right now is 98 cents, just shy of $1. It's up 8.34% in gain. Okay. I heard someone mention salt this morning. I think it was my good money, my good buddy. Somebody mentioned salt this morning. I saw a post on that. Okay, so there's many others. There's many others, guys. You can check it out. So the other way you can take advantage of the cryptocurrency space is to invest in these coins that have not went, you know, mainstream yet, so to speak. They haven't reached their maturity, and Ripple is one of those. Is one of those coins. I'll give you another clue. And let me pause here and see if we have anyone that has questions, or see who's tuning in here. See who's tuning in here today. All right. Awesome. What's up, RJ, my man? What's going on? Jay, what's up? Tyler, what's going on? All right. So I'm going to go to a exchange that I use called Binance, and I'm going to show you a few coins that I have recently purchased. Okay, that I recently purchased. So bear with me just a second here. Got to get past this security. All right, check this out. All right. So here are a few of my orders, and that takes us into the third way that you can take advantage of cryptocurrency. The third way, and I'm going to kind of break this up in two parts, is what's called ICOs, and also trading. Okay, ICOs and trading. Now, ICOs, I'm still getting a grasp on ICOs. ICO stands for initial coin offering. And what happens is with ICOs is when the coin is introduced to the public. All right, it's not mainstream yet. It's not on CoinMarketCap. It's not on Bittrex. It's not on Polynex. It's not on Binance. Then what's happening is people like you and I can buy into this coin at a low price. Okay, low price, and then when the coin goes mainstream, you pretty much you're buying tokens, you're investing in the coin, say it's 5 cents. You buy hundreds of dollars worth of the 5-cent coin. And then when it launches, you're buying tokens, okay? And then you can convert those tokens over to your Bitcoin, usually when the price goes up, okay? It's you have to do your research. I'm still learning that wave of cryptocurrency. There's a lot of experts out there, and I just happen to be in connection with a few of them who keeps me up to date on this is what you should be buying into. This is going to go this is going to help you 10x your money, 10x your investment, and that's what I'm doing. Okay, so right here, as you can see, and this is a form inside of Binance. Okay, we're going to shift over to a little bit of it's like trading, but what I'm doing, I'm buying and I'm holding it. Why am I doing that? Well, I'm doing that because when I bought low, and I'm waiting for the price to go, higher. So easily with these particular cryptocurrencies that I bought this week, I can 10x my investment, maybe even 20x, 10 to 20 times what I put in. Think about that. Say you put in $500, you get 10 to 20 times your investment, guys. And look, if it doesn't work out, which from the analysis and what's been told to me, it eventually it's going to go up. Okay. Even if it doesn't work out, guess what? You can withdraw your money back to your cryptocurrency account and start over. Okay. So it's all about, in the cryptocurrency space, it's about diversifying. It's about being smart. It's about being patient. And again, don't worry if you don't understand it all. I mean, there's plenty of education out there. You just have to pick what's going to be best for you. Pick what's best for you. So that's another way to take advantage of Bitcoin or cryptocurrency in general, is you're buying it. And I talked about that earlier in Coinbase. You can buy it and hold it. There's other cryptocurrencies. Again, I just showed you here that you can buy and hold. Okay. And all I did, this week alone, I did it some yesterday, was I bought a few here. For example, right here, XRP, that's Ripple. I just talked about Ripple. This is Ripple coin right here. And then the rest of them, this is, forgot what that one's called. I just bought them because expert advice. And when I get expert advice on these things, I'm taking it. The other ways, my favorite way so far is mining Bitcoin. And you see, I've also left a link below this video or above this video showing you my favorite program that is helping me receive a daily payout. And it's been giving me a daily payout since May of this year when I joined the company. The company is legitimate, been out since 2008. And this is what the actual page, when you click on the link that you see in the description, you're going to see this page right here. Just put your, click here and put your name, your email in there, and you'll see more about this company. Here's a different company right here that I'm in. I'm averaging most days, 1% a day. There's times where it's a little bit lower than that, but guys, you can't beat that. You can't beat earning 1% a day, compounding your cryptocurrencies. And the great thing about it is, as Bitcoin continues to go up, guess what? Your payout is going to go up as well. It's not going to stay level where it is. It's going to continue to go up. And that is the beauty of this cryptocurrency technology. It is really truly amazing, guys. It's really truly amazing what we have here. So I think I covered a lot there. Kind of went a little fast, but that's the beauty of video. You can always go back and watch it. So does anyone have any questions? I don't claim to be a cryptocurrency expert by any means. All I'm doing is just taking advantage. I've taken advantage of what has been presented to me I've educated myself in the process, and all I'm doing is implementing what I've learned over time. Again, I'm not an expert. I'm still learning things that I didn't know, over a year ago. So, and I'm always being taught by the other experts, and we just bounce ideas off of each other. And you know what? It's all about stepping out in faith in the end and taking that risk. And I guarantee you, if you step out in faith, you take that risk and you feel good about it, good things will happen for you for a long time. So let me see, does anyone have any questions? Does anyone have any questions so far that they would like me to answer? All right, so John said, I heard there are over 1,200 cryptocurrencies out there. Can you purchase all of them at Coinbase or Binance? All right, John, awesome question. There is a lot of cryptocurrencies out there. That is true. Now, I'm going to answer the first part of your question. You cannot purchase all of them on Coinbase. The only ones you can purchase on Coinbase is going to be Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. Now, if you go over to Binance, okay, you get signed up for this. It's free to sign up. It's not going to cost you a dime. The only thing it's going to cost you is when you decide to buy into whatever cryptocurrency that you want to. But just for example, Binance has a ton of cryptocurrencies, okay? Now, I don't think all 1,200 is on here. You can also go to, let me log out of here real quick. You can also go to Bitconnect. Bitconnect is another one that you can sign up for. And, here's what I would do, John. You don't have to invest in all of them, John. And tell you what, if you want to learn the best ones to invest in, John, go to YouTube, follow this guy right here. What is his name? Let me get his name. I just subscribed to him last night. Let's see, where is he at? Let me, hold on one second. You want to subscribe to there you go. Okay. His name is Ian Belina. Okay. This guy right here. Subscribe to his channel. Now, if you want to learn all about,
hey, what up?
If you want to learn all about ICOs, initial coin offering, which cryptocurrency that's coming out, because there's always cryptocurrencies coming out. Okay. And John, I think there's a lot more. There may be a lot more than what you said it is, because there's always more coming out. The ICOs is basically introducing another cryptocurrency to the market. And this guy right here was referred to me by another good friend of mine who's also into ICOs, who's also into trading, buying and holding cryptocurrencies. And he is right on point when it comes to, look at all this Wax token and Vex and you got Bloom. These are all cryptocurrencies, guys, ICOs. So subscribe to this guy here, and you'll get some good education. And then you can sign up for exchanges like Bitconnect and Binance, and you see a coin that maybe this guy is talking about a certain coin that he's going to buy into heavily, and he's getting the results. He's getting the results that you're seeking, or then that's maybe something that you're going to want to do. Okay, so again, it's about education. It's about education and implementing what you learn. But you also want to come back to CoinMarketCap and also pay attention to this, everything here as well. The top 10, even the top 25. Okay. You see Bitconnect right there. Let me just show you something here real quick. Bitconnect. Bitconnect. I'm in here as well. Okay. I do a little bit of, I try to divert. So here's the deal. You've heard the saying before, don't put all your eggs in one basket. That's true. You want to spread your net as far as you can. Spread your net as far as you can. Can I give a time limit on how long these opportunities where you're earning nice passive income, 1% or less per day? Can I give a timeline on how long these programs are going to be around? No, I cannot. All I can say is I'm all about taking advantage of the time of when the program is actually running smooth. Okay. I've been in programs. I'm in a program right now, another cryptocurrency platform. It's also tied with the social media section. I've been with that company going on 2 years. Okay. And I didn't think it was going to, I personally didn't think it was going to last that long, but the business model that they have is absolutely phenomenal. And it's why they just have a lot of things going on. And I feel very, very good about that program. I earn money every 15 minutes there, 96 times a day. I earn money over there. That's another platform. So I'm a take advantage of the time type of guy. Take advantage of the opportunity type of guy. If the program is going to be here for a year, I'm going to take advantage of the program for a year. If it's going to be here for 2 years. So Bitconnect, I started out with Bitconnect with $100 just to test it. And what I usually do, I test the programs out for 90 days, up to 90 days. It may be less than that if I feel real good about it, up to 90 days. And then I scale up. Okay. So let me put in this code and show you here real quickly. Guys, I've showed you guys several ways to take advantage of Bitcoin. Okay, so here's my link. This is my wallet right here. This goes up every single day. All right, and I'll show you everything. This is how much I got total invested. This is how much I've earned so far. Okay, so you can't beat that. So let me just kind of show you guys the numbers, the percentages. All right, so in the green, you'll see the percentages of what I've earned, and every day is different. Okay, every day is different, and all I'm doing is building it up. Okay, that's just one of the opportunities right there. So the cryptocurrency space, guys, is vast. I can talk probably the whole day about it and not even cover 1/8 of what you need to know. But what I just told you is just really all you really need to know. It's just up to you just digging a little deeper into what you need to do and educating yourself. And then again, like I always say, you have to implement what you learn. You can't just learn it and not take action. Okay, action takers are what is going to make it happen. Okay, so hopefully that answered your question there, John. Let me see if anyone else has any questions. All right, thank you, honey. I appreciate that. Thank you for that comment. Let's see. Anyone else have any questions about Bitcoin, cryptocurrencies, the altcoins? Any more questions here? You're welcome. You're welcome, John. Anytime, man. All right, Melody, what's the other platform you've been in 2 years? All right, Melody, great question. Very good question. I can, the actual program is called FutureNet, okay? And let me just kind of show you a snippet. There's two sides. There's two sides to FutureNet, okay? And now people are really sleeping on this opportunity right here. I've been in this opportunity since July of last year. There's two sides. There's a social media side, just like Facebook. You know how we have Facebook and we can do all the things we do on Facebook. We can, we can do live videos. We can like posts. We can share posts. You can do the same thing inside of FutureNet. The only difference is when you join FutureNet as free, okay, it's free to join. You come into what's called a friends tree. You have the highest potential to get paid inside of FutureNet for doing the same things you do on Facebook. Okay. The other side of FutureNet is Future Ad Pro, which is the side that I spend a lot of time in. Let me show you that real quick. And basically, FutureNet is basically it's the advertising portion of the company. Inside of FutureNet, you're going to be able to put up advertisements, and when you place an ad, you're going to be able to earn money. Now, the only thing you have to do is click up here where it says watch ads, and you look at 10 ads, okay? And your account is going to start to move. As you can see right here, I have $156 and some change right here. Now this is going to change every 15 minutes, depending on how many advertising packages you buy. That's the only thing. Depending on how many advertising packages you have is going to determine how much you're going to make. So how would it feel to be able to advertise and make money at the same time? It's kind of like driving for Uber. You drive for Uber, you get paid to drive. Well, I get paid to advertise. It just made sense to me. And what I do every time I want to make a withdrawal from this account, all right, it goes over into my Bitcoin wallet. This is also dealing with cryptocurrencies again, you see. So this is the wave of the future, guys. I mean, cryptocurrency is where it's at. If you're not involved, get involved. I've given you enough education here, enough pointers here to help you make some type of decision to be able to take advantage, all right? I'm going to show you, let me go ahead and take you inside. And Melody, if you want more information about FutureNet, I'll be happy to send that to you. Just let me know. Let me take you inside of my Swiss Go Global account. Now, Swiss Go Global, guys, telling you right now, is a fantastic company. They have been out since 2008. They have a real CEO, just like FutureNet, and what I just showed you has a real CEO behind the company. Swiss Go Global has a real CEO behind the company. And with this particular company, guys, you can join for free. Not only are you able to take advantage of cryptocurrency, but you can actually invest in gold and silver. Gold and silver, real gold and silver. You can have it shipped to your home, or you can hold on to it. And as the price of gold and silver goes up, you can sell it back to the company at face value, guys. That is phenomenal in my book. But you're building wealth two ways, you see? And I said this on one of my videos before. I said, it's easy to make money, okay? But it takes a complete mindset shift to build real wealth, guys. You see? Anybody can make money. You come online and make a couple of dollars a day, shoot out, $100 a day, but it takes a real mindset shift to make a huge dent in when it comes to making wealth online. There's a difference. The difference is making money is going to keep you afloat. It's going to keep things. It's going to keep your life turning. Because we need money. We need crypto, so to speak, to survive. All right. Wealth, however, can be passed on from generation to generation. And this is one of the platforms that can help you do that, along with everything else I just showed you. So let me log in, show you a little bit of numbers real quickly. And here's my favorite spot right here, crypto. And this is where I am receiving. This is where I am receiving daily payouts to my Bitcoin wallet, even while I sleep, guys. Okay, every single day, like clockwork. I'm getting paid from this platform. And I'm able to mine these cryptocurrencies. And the ones that I'm mining right now is Bitcoin. I'm also mining Ethereum. I have about 44 terahash, 44 some change of terahash of Bitcoin. And I also have about 70 mega hashes, 70.6 of Ethereum. Now here's where it gets crazy. Check this out. You see these transactions, you see all these numbers here? Let me put this down a little bit. Okay, these are all the transactions. These are all the transactions that has happened in my account. Now, everywhere that you see transaction link is where I got paid out. So you see this right here. This right here got paid out. Got paid out. Got paid. I mean, I can go all the way back to page 31. You see? Look at this. Okay. It started to speak. So let me go to 33, page 33, where I first started. Okay. Where it says no link for this reward, that means I didn't get a payout yet. Okay. Hey, honey.
It's small.
It's small.
Yeah. So I don't know if they can see it.
They can see it if they expand.
Okay. Just checking.
Thank you, baby. All right. So, and you can see the progression. All right. So right here, you see I got a payout right here. Now I'm going to fast forward up to page 21. And you see more transaction links coming as I go further up to where I am now. Number 9, transaction links. So I'm getting payout every single day, guys. Just in this one company alone, just this one company alone, over $1,500 a month in passive income. Just this one opportunity. Okay, I have multiple streams of income. This is Swiss Gold is in phase 2 of my business model. I have 4 phases. Most of you probably seen those videos where I talked about the 4 phases. I'm still not done with this series, by the way. This is in phase number 2, and this is just one of the programs. Okay, $1,500 a month passive income, make it in your sleep. That can pay for your mortgage. That can pay for your car. That can pay some bills off, guys, and get you out of debt. I mean, you know, studies have shown an extra $1,000 a month can help families big time. You see what I'm saying? And the crazy thing about this program is you do not have to recruit a single soul. Let me say that one more time, because people are scared. They're terrified of that word recruit. Oh, do I got to recruit? Do I got to? You see, here's the deal. What if you found a program like this, which is a phenomenal program in itself, and you don't have to recruit, but you're making money every single day? Wouldn't you want to tell somebody who you love? Want to tell some of your friends and say, hey, man, look, I'm getting this. I got this cryptocurrency opportunity, man. I'm mining Bitcoin. And then when you tell them you're mining Bitcoin, they're going to look at you crazy like, what? You doing what? Then that's when you can bring them back to this video you're watching right now and say, hey, look at my buddy Ontarian. He's going to break it down to you. This is how it works. You're mining Bitcoin. And you can show people proof of that. People will join you. And guess what? When they join you, you're going to get stuff. You're going to get these bonuses that come in like clockwork. These are people who are coming in and buying. They're also buying mining hash power. Okay. For technical terms, they're buying mining hash power to be able to mine Bitcoin and get those daily payouts as well. For all the people that love to see numbers, let me break it down to you like this. I'm gonna go to a calculator, and let's just say you want to make, get this out of here. Let's say you want to make an extra $1,000. Okay, Bitcoin at the current price is 8,000, and this is a huge deal. When Bitcoin is up, it's going to also help your mining. It's also going to help your daily payouts. And I've been seeing a steady increase in daily payouts in this particular opportunity. So say you want to make an extra $1,000 a month. I'm going to switch to terahash because that's what the computation power is calculated in when it comes to mining. That's what the difficulty factors, all the difficult calculations when it comes to this type of mining is all about, okay? I'm going to put in 100, okay? That's 100 terahash of Bitcoin. That's $147 a day. I get people asking, well, how much do I need to invest to be able to make that type of money? Now, we said $1,000 a month. I'm going to put 50 terahash, okay? Look at that, 45. What about 40? So all you would need really is about 35. Actually, I mean, the current price of Bitcoin really helps because it wasn't like this a month ago. How about 25? Okay, so 25 terahash, you can roughly make an extra $33 a day, $34 a day. Now, what Swiss Gold Global does, they have to take out a little bit of fees because what they're doing all the work for you. They have the mining equipment. They have to, you know, all that takes maintenance. It takes cooling of the mining equipment. So they have to take some fees off the top. And when you round it out, you're looking at probably just shy of $1,000 a month with 25 terahash. Now you may be saying, okay, that sounds great, Ontarian. How much is 25 terahash? Okay, great question. When you come inside of Swiss Gold Global, you click on Buy Terahash. You click on Increase the hash power. There's Bitcoin right here. And what I love about Bitcoin when it comes to mining inside of Swiss Gold Global, it is a open-ended contract. You go to a lot of other mining companies, they're going to give you a contract. Well, this contract inside of Swiss Gold is open-ended. That means as long as Bitcoin is profitable, you will earn for a lifetime. That is phenomenal. Okay. Now, when it comes to Ethereum, Zcash, Monero, the other cryptocurrencies, 2-year contract, 24 months, which still is it's plenty of time to build up some great crypto cash flow. All right. So you're going to click on next. All right. You see this right here? To pay attention to this as I slide this on the scale, and this right here is going to tell you exactly how much you're going to need to purchase in order to get where you want to be financially. Okay, check this out. All right, 25 terahash is a little bit shy of $4,000. Okay, now think about it for a second before you say, "Oh, that's a lot of money." Think about this. I just told you, or I just showed you, 25 terahash is going to bring you roughly, okay, I'm not guaranteeing the numbers because Bitcoin fluctuates. It's like a roller coaster. What I'm showing you right now and the price that it's going to take to get 25 terahash, you will break even in about 4 to 5 months. And then after that, you'll be in profit. But guess what? The Bitcoin contract inside of Swiss Gold Global is open-ended. You see, so as long as Bitcoin is profitable, which it will be for a very long time, you will be able to make a passive income for a very long time, guys. And do you think once that happens, you'll be able to share that with some friends, some families, or someone, I mean, just anyone who could use this information, who can use some extra income? You see, it is a powerful concept. It's a power, and this is just one of the programs. You see, I have several of them. I'm just showing you some of my favorites. Okay, this is probably my most favorite. If I had to pick one right now, this got to be my favorite because I've been with the company since May of this year. I've seen the integrity of the company. I've seen, I mean, it's so solid that, I mean, I'll drop another $5,000 to $10,000 in here, no problem. You see, so it is by no means, guys. It's the real deal. It's the real deal. Okay, so don't think of it. It takes money to make money. Don't think of, oh, you know, I got the holidays coming up. You know what? The money that you're going to spend coming up next month is probably going to be astronomical. Okay, think about that. Give yourself a gift. Give yourself a gift, the best gift, you know, when it comes to financial, and invest in some cryptocurrency. You got nothing to lose. And I just showed you proof. I just showed you a little bit of my proof that what it's doing for me. I show it every single day on video, on Facebook, all the social medias, day in and day out. This is what's happening. Okay, so I've hit the horse over the head a lot this afternoon. Let me see if we have any questions. See if we have any questions. All right, so I guess we're good. Anybody have any questions? Anybody have any questions before I end this this live feed here? You guys just ready to eat some Thanksgiving, huh? Yeah, buddy. All right, I think I covered a lot. So what I'm going to do is, again, guys, coinmarketcap.com, get educated on this stuff. I told you the guy that you need to follow on YouTube. That should give you plenty to do. And see, you've got a question just popped in. All right, Brian Lewis said, you a latecomer, what's the first step in Bitcoin? All right, Brian, great question, man. I did cover that in the beginning. Make sure you go back and watch the entire video. The first step in Bitcoin is to get you set yourself up with a Bitcoin wallet, okay? If you go to Coinbase.com, you can sign up for free, and that's going to give you a free Bitcoin wallet. Now, I have a video, a step-by-step video showing you exactly how to set this up, how to get funded all the way from A to Z. So if you need that, please inbox me and I will send you that video showing you how to do that. The first step is that. Now, I covered a lot of stuff, you know, so far in this video. Make sure you go back and watch all of it because I covered a lot of stuff, okay? All right. Who else we got? That's right, honey. My babe, my wife said they spend money at the casinos. Yeah, I mean, guys, if you were to sit down and think about how much we spend, because I'm included myself, but me, I invest in crypto. Okay, I know. I mean, when I get funds in, like from my mining projects and my other projects, when I get funds in, I keep some, of course, but I'm spreading that out. I'm diversifying, I'm growing it, you see, and that's keeping a steady cash flow in, guys. Steady crypto flow is what I call it, the crypto flow. And that's what you want. In a traditional bank, you're lucky to make 1% a year. In crypto, you can 100, 1,000 times X that with the right platforms. So to answer the question of this live video, Bitcoin is over $8,000. Is it too late to take advantage? Nope. As I just showed you, it's not too late. You don't have to invest or purchase $8,100 worth of Bitcoin. If you got it, do it. If you got $8,000 to spare, buy $8,000 worth of Bitcoin. You can just let it sit if you want to, or disperse it, diversify it, That way your money is working for you in different areas. You see, again, it's not, if you were to buy $8,000 and let it sit here, that means you have all your eggs in one basket. Disperse it. Then, and then let it grow. That means you have multiple streams of income working for you at one time, guys. And it takes time. That's why I recommend phase 1 of my business model, because if you don't have the capital right now and you don't need a lot of money. Look, I just showed you Ripple, and I'm giving you guys all the clues in the world. Ripple is 23 cents and some change, almost 20. Let's round it up to 24 cents. Okay. Let's be optimistic. 24 cents Ripple. Go over to Binance.com, sign up for free and buy some Ripple. Hold on to it. And guess what? In a year or less or more, maybe, what if it takes 2 years for Ripple to go to $20? Would it be worth the investment? That's better than a 401k. 401k is not going to do that for you. You see? 401k, in my opinion, is designed to keep you on the job longer and pay you what, once you cash out in the 401k, guess who's taking that cut off the top? Big time. Big time. So I learned my lesson with that. All right. We got any more questions? What's going on, Thailand? Thanks, brother. What's up, babe? It takes money to make money. That's exactly right. Exactly right. What's going on, guys? Any more questions? Any more questions before I end this live video? Any more questions? Well, I guess I covered a lot. You guys don't have any questions. Again, I'm not an expert, guys. I just, when I saw Bitcoin for the first time, it's been over 2 years ago now. I said, hey, this has made too much sense. And I wish I would have caught it when it was low, but hey, that's okay. There's plenty of ways to take advantage of it, as I just showed you. I had to pick the top 3 programs: Swissco Global, FutureNet, and the last one I will go with USI Tech. Okay, and I'm a part of all of them. If I had to pick a specific program, now if you just want to, look at the trend and buy and hold, we got that for you too. I'll show you where to do that at, or I told you where to subscribe at on YouTube. Subscribe to the expert on the ICOs. Let me check one more time, see who has any questions, and then I'm going to end this, folks. Then I'm going to end it. Man, I've been on here for almost an hour. Wow. Didn't know that. All right, guys. So let me go ahead and stop sharing here. Thank you for watching. Again, Ontarian Hawkins here, the Passive Income Guru. Hopefully you got something, at least a little bit out of this. And my wife said I had her waiting for an hour. Hope you got a little bit out of this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, share it, just do what you got. Maybe people that want to be educated on this stuff. Share it with them. They've never heard of Bitcoin, never heard of cryptocurrency. Share it with them. There's documentaries out there that you can watch on Bitcoin. You see, so it's out there, guys. It's up to you to not only know what it is, but to take action. Stop putting your money in things that not going to bring you value. Maybe you got a closet full of clothes and every time you go to the mall, you're buying something new, you're trying to stuff more money, more clothes inside your closet. You got nowhere to put it. I mean, you don't need no more clothes. Get rid of some clothes, or you don't need no more. Is that going to bring you a return? Every time you guys see me, usually I've got a t-shirt on. Simple. Because I'd rather put an extra $50 into some crypto. That's it. All right, guys. God bless. Happy Thanksgiving. Don't eat too much turkey. We'll talk to you soon.